To the court battles over the Trump administration's deportations, an immigration judge ruling the Columbia grad student who led pro-Palestinian protests can be deported based solely on the administration's claim that he threatens foreign policy. ABC's Christian Cordero joins us with the details as his defense team says the ruling sets a dangerous precedent. Christian.
That's right, Janae. Good morning to you. So Mahmoud Khalil was arrested outside his home in New York last month. He was taken to a detention center in Louisiana, where he faced an immigration judge.
He's not resisting.
This morning, a stunning ruling against Columbia University activist Mahmoud Khalil. An immigration judge in Louisiana ruling Khalil can be deported without any evidence on top of the administration's claim that he threatens foreign policy. Khalil is a permanent legal resident and his wife, 8 months pregnant, is an American citizen. While at Columbia, he helped lead protests against the war in Gaza. In a memo, the administration cites a section of immigration law that says a migrant is deportable if their presence in the country has potentially serious adverse foreign policy consequences. The judge essentially saying that's good enough. After the hearing, Khalil addressed the court about due process rights and fairness, adding, quote, neither of these principles were present today.
This guy has never been convicted of a crime, never been charged with a crime. Very peaceful person.
His legal team blasting the ruling.
Today's hearing and the finding by the judge sets a really dangerous precedent. If this is allowed to stand, anyone could be next.
They now have until April 23rd to seek relief from deportation. Another high-profile immigration case had key hearings this week. Kilmar Abrego Garcia was deported by mistake to an El Salvadorian prison. On Thursday, the Supreme Court upheld a lower court ruling requiring the Trump administration to return Abrego Garcia to the U.S. That prompted the lower court judge to set a hearing yesterday, which she kicked off by asking where Abrego Garcia is and under whose authority. Attorneys for the DOJ said they don't know. Now, that didn't sit well with the judge, who's now requesting daily status updates on Abrego Garcia's location and the administration's plans for his return. Gio?
And we know you'll keep following it, Christian. Thank you so much for that.